Hello children, today I am going to explain one data handling problem for you. Let us move on to the problem children. So listen, there are three fields in this tabular column. One is sports, world record and Indian record. So both men and women are participated and both world recorders and Indian recorders jumps are mentioned here. Okay. So analyze the table children. Let us move on to the questions. So how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? This is your first question. Let us see the solution for this problem.
So this is your first question children. So what is the given data? So Chandrapal's jump is equal to 2 meter 17 centimeter and world recorder Javier's jump is 2 meter 45 centimeter. So what is the question? So how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? Yes? Yes? So he is the men's high jump and he is the world recorder. Okay? And he is the Indian recorder high jump. Okay? So how many centimeters more should Chandrapal need to equal the Javier's jump? So here we have to use the operation subtraction. Let us subtract 2 meter 17 centimeter from 2 meter 45 centimeter to get the answer. Okay. So 15 3. Okay. 8 28. So 28 centimeter. This is 0. So Chandrapal need 28 centimeter to equal the Javier's jump, that is 2 meter 45 centimeter. That's all children. So Chandrapal need 28 centimeter to equal the Javier's jump, that is 2 meter 45 centimeter.
So this is your second question children. So how many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? Okay. Remember that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter.
So this is your second question. How many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? So Bobby's jump is 1 meter 91 centimeter and we need to find how many centimeters he need to reach 2 meters. Okay. So let us recall it children. 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. First we convert this to centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100. So we have to add this 91, that is 191 centimeter. This is the Bobby's jump. But he need to reach 2 meters. Again we have to convert this 2 meters to centimeters. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now 2 meter 200 centimeter. So actual jump of Bobby is 191. He need to reach 200 centimeter. So how much he still need to reach 200 centimeter? Yes, only 9 centimeter. So if you add, yes, so Bobby need 9 centimeter to reach 200 centimeter, that is 2 meter.
So look at the women's world record. What is the difference between longest jump and highest jump?
So what is your fourth question children? Look at the women's world records. What is the difference between the longest jump and highest jump? Here I have written the two datas. Both are women's world recorders. One is high jump and another one is long jump. So we have to find the difference between longest jump and highest jump. So longest jump is 7 meter 52 centimeter. So highest jump is 2 meter 9. So 9 centimeter. So 12 4, right? So 10 11 12 3 4 7 to question 5. So 5 meter 43 centimeter is the difference between longest jump and the highest jump. This is your fourth problem.
So this is your next question. If Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. So what is the Mike P's jump? So 8 meter 95 centimeter. So what is the question asked? If Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. So 9 meters வரதுக்கு இன்னும் அவன் எவ்வளோ சென்டிமீட்டர் ஜம்ப் பண்ணணும்? Find out, children. Write the answer in your rough note. Okay. And Galina's jump is nearly. So what is the Galina's jump? 7 meter 52 centimeter, right? 7 meter 52 centimeter. So in the three options la edu varum? Think and write your answer in your rough note. And this is your last question. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? So Stefka's jump is 2 meter 9 centimeter. Chandrapal vandu 2 meter 17 centimeter. Javier 2 meter 45 centimeter. And Bobby 1 meter 91 centimeter. So think and write your answer in your rough note, children. It is very easy question. Thank you. If you have any doubts in this concept, feel free to call me or message me through WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a pleasant day.